2021 Lexus IS. With less than 44,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, cooled front seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.